Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to trim audio in Audacity. This is a complete beginner-friendly guide, and I will show every step on the screen. Just follow along. First, open Audacity on your computer. Once the program opens, import the audio file that you want to trim. Go to the File menu, choose Import, and then click Audio. Select your audio file and click Open. The audio waveform will appear in the editing area. Now move your mouse to the Selection tool. This is the tool used to select the part of the audio that you want to keep. Click on the waveform and drag across the section that you want to keep in the final audio. Make sure the selected area includes the exact part that you want to keep. The highlighted section will remain, while the rest of the audio will be removed. After selecting the desired section, go to the Edit menu at the top. Move your mouse to Remove Special, and then click Trim Audio. Audacity will remove everything outside the selected area and keep only the part that you selected. This is the main difference between trimming and cutting. Trimming keeps the selected portion, while cutting removes the selected portion.
Welcome back.
To listen to the trimmed audio, click the play button. The playback will include only the section that remains after trimming. If the trim was not correct, go to the Edit menu and click Undo, or press Ctrl and Z on your keyboard. This will restore the original audio file. Now let's trim the audio again. Select a different portion of the waveform by clicking and dragging with the Selection tool. Go back to Edit, then Remove Special, and click Trim Audio once again. You will see that only the newly selected section remains. For more accurate trimming, use the Zoom In option from the toolbar. Zooming in makes it easier to select the exact beginning and ending points of the audio. You can also click near the edges of the selected area and adjust the selection before trimming. This helps create cleaner edits, especially for voice recordings and podcasts. After trimming, play the audio again to confirm that the beginning and ending sound natural. When you are satisfied with the result, go to the File menu, choose Export, and then click Export as MP3. Choose the folder where you want to save the file, enter a file name, and click Save. If the metadata window appears, click OK to finish exporting the trimmed audio. That is how you can trim audio in Audacity, keep only the section you need, and export the final result as an MP3 file. If this video helped you, please like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.